Your Troop virtual booth is similar to what the Troop cookie links were last year. As we talked with volunteers, we realized that the cookie link concept could be a little easier to understand. We know that you all know what a cookie booth is, and so this year, instead of calling them Troop cookie links, this is your Troop virtual booth link because it's really a virtual booth that your troop is having, just like you would an in person booth, only it happens in the online world. As a troop volunteer, when you log into Digital Cookie, if you're the first person in your troop to log in as a volunteer, you'll see this start button here. When you click start, you'll be asked to enter a zip code for your troop. We recommend using a zip code that is representative of most of the girls. Then you'll select an adult who will be the troop site lead. This is the person that sets up the troop cookie site. When you've selected that, you'll click Save and close. Now you can see that this has changed and it's getting closer, but you have not yet set up your site. At this point, the troop volunteer will switch to the parent view and it will change over. If the Girl Scout who is volunteer, who is being the troop site lead, is not a parent already set up, they will be walking through the same steps as the parent, including the safety video. You'll sign the terms and conditions for the parent role. And you'll have to read and review the girl pledge that girls would be seeing as well. Then you'll click register. We do want you to leave this exactly as it is in order to make sure that everything will work well with eBuddy. You'll click save, then you're ready to go. Clicking access site takes you to the troop site. At this point, we would want you to be working with the Girl Scout troop to determine what it is they want to say, what photo or video they want to use. Remember, just like girls, no personally identifying information should be used here. Once the troop has worked with you to set up their site and publish it, when you come back to your dashboard, you'll see that the virtual booth is open for business if your council has started their cookie season. You'll see your troop virtual booth link here with the ability to copy it or view a QR code easily. Your virtual booth link will be used for all orders where you are offering customers delivery, donation, shipping, pickup if you have that as an option as well. Should you want to have the ship only link so that you are not having to deliver, you or anyone in the troop is not delivering cookies to customers locally, you do have a link for that. Again, customers getting this link can only purchase cookies for shipping or donation. This is the link that will appear on the cookie finder starting February 17th. That will allow other customers looking for cookies who don't know a Girl Scout personally to search by zip code and potentially land on your troop's virtual booth in order to buy delicious Girl Scout cookies to have them shipped or to donate. As orders come in, you would see them over here, the virtual booth orders, if they need to be approved or delivered. And if you're going to employ the booth pickup option, you'll see those here. Look for more information about that in the booth pickup module. If you do get virtual booth orders, you would come to My Troop Orders and you would see them to approve them or to mark them as delivered. We hope that your troop's virtual booth is a great experience for the girls, allows them to reach additional customers, and helps your troop reach their goals.